Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the Design Center NX product marketing team. Today, we're going to be exploring DFM Advisor and the advantages it provides towards manufacturing checks early in the design process. DFM stands for Design for Manufacturability, and at its core, it's all about designing products in a way that makes them easier, more efficient, and more cost effective to produce. It provides real-time feedback and insights into how design choices will impact the manufacturing process, effectively bridging the gap between design intent and manufacturing reality. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, you'll find all checkers in Design Center under the Developer tab within the Checkmate group. From there, simply select the Setup Tests command to start customizing your tests. You'll notice various checker categories available, and while I encourage you to explore them, today we'll focus specifically on the DFM Advisor category. For this first part, our primary focus will be on drilling, as it's our chosen method for creating specific features in this component. Once you've selected the checks you're interested in, use the arrow on the right side of the window to add them to your chosen tests. For any tests you might be confused about, a helpful tip is to highlight the checker and then select the book icon. This action opens the test documentation where you'll find a short description, helpful images, and the precise logic the checker employs to recognize potential flaws in your design. You can see for this one that partial holes occur when a hole is located outside the material, which may lead to poor machining accuracy. Now returning to the test setup, once you've selected all your appropriate tests, you can initiate your checks by choosing Execute Checkmate Tests. Once the tests have completed, it's time to assess if your part is truly ready for manufacturing. On the left side of your screen, the checkmate results are clearly displayed. A red X signifies a failed test, and we can see that all three tests failed here. To quickly pinpoint issues, simply select any test from the navigator. This action will instantly highlight its corresponding error in the display window, making it effortless to evaluate the exact location of potential design flaws. For tests with multiple errors, you can easily expand them for a more detailed analysis. Should you encounter a particularly challenging to locate error, a right-click on that specific test will allow you to use the Focus View on Tag option, providing a close-up visual of the component. This entire process is designed to streamline your review, significantly improving efficiency and simplifying the task of understanding your test results. Let's say for this scenario, we want to fix the partial hole that we reviewed documentation for earlier. If we address the issue and change our hole diameter, our checker won't go away until we've executed our tests again. This is because the system needs to reevaluate your design against the updated criteria. To update the results and see if your fix was successful, simply navigate back to the HD3D Navigator and select the Execute Checks option. The system will then quickly reprocess your part with the new hole diameter. If your fix was successful, you'll see that red X transform into a green check mark, confirming that this particular issue has been resolved. Now let's shift our focus to a different part and explore the milling tests available within DFM Advisor. Instead of navigating through the Developer tab, another way we can edit our tests is through the HD3D Navigator. To begin, you'll want to clear out any previous selections by highlighting your old tests and clicking the X on the right side of the window. With a clean slate, you can then select the new milling checkers you wish to perform. As you add these, you'll find valuable options to customize them. For instance, some tests involve setting precise pass-fail values. Others might require setting a specific directional vector tailored to your manufacturing process. It's highly beneficial to explore these customization options, especially if your company has specific manufacturing best practices to adhere to. Once these customized milling tests are run, you'll again observe that some checkers might pass while others indicate a failure. This immediate feedback is incredibly valuable. Identifying and rectifying such design flaws early in the process, even before manufacturing begins, can save critical time and money, truly underscoring the power of proactive design validation. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored how to use DFM Advisor to review our designs for potential manufacturing flaws. We started by setting up our tests and reviewing documentation for extra help. After that, we reviewed our test results and looked at key ways to make this an efficient process. And finally, we wrap things up by reviewing customization of checkers and the impact this would have on our testing. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.